Still, not all serial killers who come from good homes can put the blame on bad neurology. Some have well-functioning brains and backgrounds that point to life on the bell curve of normalcy. And yet, Randy Kraft is one such example. Say, Rain. If you look at Randy's brain scan, you can see it's perfectly normal. He has good frontal lobe functioning. In a darkly ironic twist, Rain says that Kraft's high brain functioning probably helped his efficacy as a killer. Randy killed 64 people in a 12-year period, Rain says. 16 of those were confirmed. To do that, you need to have something good going for you. He had a very good brain that allowed him to regulate his behavior. Known as the scorecard killer, for the detailed list of victims he kept in the trunk of his car, Kraft was only apprehended after being pulled over for a moving violation with a dead body in his passenger seat. And although his crimes were twisted, Kraft's past wasn't. Rain profiles Kraft in his book, The Anatomy of Violence, The Biological Roots of Crime, in which he discusses at length the young man's trouble-free past, growing up in Orange County, California, where he would bowl with his father and eat strawberries and whipped cream with his mother. With an IQ of 129, which is considered high, Kraft took accelerated classes in high school and attended Claremont Men's College, now Claremont McKenna College, a top-tier liberal arts school. A stable upbringing, Rain says, points to an uncomfortable truth. That part of what makes people psychopathic killers is biological, a fate written into one's chemical composition. Clearly, there's no question that genetic factors explain about 50% of the variation amongst us in terms of who is violent and who is not. That's beyond reasonable doubt. What we don't know yet is what specific genes are responsible, Rain says. It's difficult to pinpoint the genes, but we know they exist. Trying to figure out which gene is responsible for the crime, it's a bit like trying to catch a serial killer on the run.